IKEA promised me unlimited supply of furniture if I record this video. So here we go. Hello guys, my name is Doke and this is IKEA Style, a series where I take your favorite or my favorite people, brands, characters and I make murals in their style. As you already know, today we are painting in IKEA style. Why? Well, because below the first episode of this show, it was the #1 comment. Actually, it's a comment by my friend Smo. Yeah, he always has the very best idea. Let's jump straight to the preparation. The preparation! Yeah, I spent too much time in my life by building IKEA cabinets because as Zlatan says...
Rich people, they don't buy furniture in IKEA. No, but intelligent people do.
Right, so let's take a look at IKEA. For those 2% of you who don't know, IKEA is a Swedish furniture company which sells its products all around the world. Being a brand / company, if we want to study their style, we gotta take a look at two things: their branding and their product. If you want to describe IKEA's products, you basically need just one word: Scandinavian. Their products attempt to have a Scandinavian style of furniture, but frankly, when you take a look at a sofa from IKEA, usually you're not like, oh yeah, that's an IKEA style. And so let's take a look at IKEA's branding, which is definitely iconic. Blue, yellow, and simple fonts. That's IKEA. This information tells us a lot about their possible style on a wall, but a simple blue and yellow mural doesn't really sound all that exciting. So we will take a look at another IKEA quirk, which is their instruction manuals. The manuals that I wanted to burn so many times. There are a lot of memes about these manuals and we all know that they are black and white, mostly. There are some touches of gray, but yeah, they are really simple. At least they look like, you know what I mean. And so these are all the things that come to my mind when I think about IKEA. And also, kodbular. I had to mention kodbular. Right now, I'm gonna sit here for about 6 hours and I'll prepare our mural out of all this information. So see you at the... I gotta say that I was struggling with the preparation of this mural quite a lot, especially with finding the right design. That's why I have a little surprise for you at the end of this video. Let's paint! Do you remember this weapon? Montana Ultra Wide. It should be 35 degrees of Celsius today, so I thought that it would be nice to paint this wall as fast as possible. Shout out to Kefa. I'm sorry, man. Let's do this. I almost forgot how fun it is to paint with these cans. This is fast and convenient, but it's definitely not cheap. These cans were not made for creating of backgrounds, but I don't do big ass tags in the streets all that often. Alrighty. Huh. Oh, something's broken. Yay! I need more reference points. Graffiti. Fill-in time. By the way, in the first episode of this show, the previous one, with Conor McGregor, who, by the way, lost his big match because of a broken leg, you've rolled me a ton of lovely comments, a ton of great suggestions, such as this one, and so I wanted to say thank you. A little bit too dusty. Whatever. I'll need to get rid of these signs anyways. In the preparation part, I forgot to mention one very iconic thing about IKEA, the names of their products. You can clearly see that I took inspiration from that. You might think that painting of simple letters is easy. I mean, it's not the hardest thing in the world, but you can't hide any flaws. Everyone will notice. There are no crazy arrows and shapes which confuse the eyes of the people who see the piece. I also have some tape and water measuring tool, which could help me to make it perfect, but I would like to keep it freehand. Embarrassing, so embarrassing. The heat is starting to get into my head. In the beginning, I promised you a little surprise. And the surprise is that in the final result, I'm actually going to show you not just this mural, but also a second artwork. I kind of wanted to do both of them, so I created one digitally and I painted the second one. And you can let me know in the comments below which of these two you prefer. Also, the most important thing, don't forget to suggest what should I paint in the next episode. Some character, some different brand, let me know. The sun is killing me, guys. This is it. This is the original design that I've prepared, but I was afraid that it would look too boring on a wall. Also, with all these straight lines, it would be a really big pain in the ass to paint this visually not so interesting artwork. If what I mean, iconic IKEA